Children, in the last previous classes we have learned how to open new tool and how to use paint tool and how to use shapes tool. Today we are going to learn a new chapter more about Tux Paint. Okay, today we are going to learn about new tool. This tool is used to open an existing file. To use this tool, select the open tool from the tool section. A list of existing options will be displayed. There are 4 buttons which is used to perform various actions. The open button is used to open and display a particular image on the canvas. The slide button is used to display the files in the form of slideshow. The eraser button is used to delete an image. The back button is used to return to an main program window. Choose the image to be opened. Click open button. Now children, I'll show you how to open the... Okay. Now click on open tool. Children, you can see a open book over here. Click on open button. When you click on open button, you can see the images. The images, whatever we have created and saved, you can see that you can see the images over here in the open. A list of existing options will be displayed. There are here. Now here you can see 4 buttons. When you click open button, you can see a list will be displayed over here. And you can see 4 buttons over here. Open, slide, erase and back button. Now here open button is used to open and display a particular image on the canvas. Now I will show you what is the use of open button. Now here already we have saved a aeroplane image over here. Now I want to open this image. Select the image and click open. Then open button is used to open and display a particular image on the canvas. Now open button again. Now you will go back. Now there is a slide button over here. This slide button is used to display files in the form of slideshow. Now what are the slides we have created, and you can see in the open list box, you can see the slideshow of all these images. Click on slides. Then click play. You can see one after the other. Then go to next button. Then you will go to the next image. Again next. Next. Now if you want to go back, go back. Now what do you mean by slides button, children? Slide button is used to display the files in the form of slideshow. Now we will learn about... One second, children. I will go back. Okay. Now you can see the eraser button over here. This eraser button is used to delete an image. Now I want to delete this hat image. To delete this hat image, first we need to select the image. Now go to eraser. Now you can see a eraser over here at the bottom of the screen. Click on eraser button. Eraser button is used to delete the image. See, it's asking you, a dialog box is displaying and showing you and asking that erase this image. If you want to erase, say yes. Now see children, you can see a hat image over here. No, it has been deleted. By using eraser tool, eraser button, we can erase the image. Now we are going to learn about back button. Now here you can see a back button over here. Back button is used to return to the main program in the window. See. By using back button is used to return to the main page in the window. Now choose the image to be opened. Now go to new. Sorry children. Go to open button. Sorry. Learned about what do you mean by open button, slides button, eraser button and back button. Now again, once again I'll show you how to open the image. Go to the image whichever you want to select. Select and click open button. Whichever the image you have selected, you can open the image. By using open option, we can open the existing images. What do you mean by existing? The images which we have drawn and saved, we can open that images. Now we will learn about stamp tool. Now this tool is used to stamp an image that is available in the Tux Paint window. Now, how to use this tool? Select the stamp tool from the tool section. A list of stamps will be displayed in the selector panel. As a groups, select the required stamp. Click on the canvas area where you want to be applied. Now children, I will show you how to use stamp tool. Now here you can see the toolbox children. Here in the toolbox you can see a stamp tool. Select the stamp tool. When you select the stamp tool, it has been highlighted by blue color. Now here in the selector you can see the images. Now go to, you can see a right arrow here. Click on this arrow. Now you can see the images. Now whichever image you want you can select. Now we are having birds images, birds, some dresses over here, fruits, cakes, whichever image you want you can select the image. Now I want to go back. Go to the left arrow. Click on the left arrow. So you can select the images of birds. Now I want to select the birds. When I am selecting the birds, only some birds you can see. If you want to see more birds, click on this down arrow. Now you can see the arrow. Children, when I am pressing, you can see the images can be appeared. See, now I want parrot image. Select and paste it on the canvas. Press left button. Now if you want to increase the size of the image, you can see the arrows over here. Line, small line, big line, little bit big line. Select on these big lines. You will get the big size. Now I will select one more image of the bird. There is a bird over here. Select and paste this. Crow. You can see the image of crow. Okay. Now I will show you some more images over here. How to use. Click on this left arrow. Now I don't want these images over here. I don't want these fruits also. Now I will select the we are having different kinds of images. Whichever image you want, you can use left arrow key and select. Okay. Now here we are having different kinds of to use birds. Now by using stamp tool we will use how to take the houses over here from the selector box. Now I want to save this image. Select, save. Your image will be saved. Now open the new page. When you select new page, you will get different kinds of canvas over there. You can select any colored canvas. Select the color. Click on open button. Then you can see a new canvas has been opened. Now I will select a hut over here. By using stamp tools, you can select different kinds of huts over here. But you have to search and use the stamps. Now you can see children different kinds of houses also. Here you can use okay children. By using stamp tool you can stamp an image. Whichever image you want, you can stamp that image. Okay children, with this we will stop. In the next class we will continue the same lesson.